Hey, let's take a look at how we can assign tasks and set deadlines in GemBoards. Go to your project dashboard, then open the board where the task is located that you want to assign to your team. Before assigning a task, make sure you have added members to your project. To do this, go to Project Settings, then open Manage. From there, search for users and add them from the WordPress user list to your project. Now move back to the board and click on a task card, or simply click directly on the user icon on the task card. Here, you'll see a list of all project members. Assign the member as planned. To set a due date, click on the calendar icon on the task card, select the date, and then click the Save button. Alternatively, you can click on the task card title to open the full view of the task card, where all options and controls are available. From here, you can also set the due date and add, remove, or change the date at any time. That's how you can assign tasks and set due dates for your team in GemBoards. Thank you for watching.